Aloha! Welcome back to Amethyst Adventure. I am here in the beautiful island of Maui for vacation 2023. And we are having a ball here at the Twin Falls in Maui, Hawaii. Mahalo, y'all. Yeah, check this out. Maui has some of the most winding roads I have ever been on. I'm talking hairpin turns, but the most beautiful mountain vistas you have ever seen. Check these views out. Next up, we head into the beautiful town of Lahaina, and here we have lunch at Down the Hatch. And after a delicious lunch, we hit the beach. And the cruise ships were in, so many people from around the world, and absolutely gorgeous views. Check this out. Every beach in Maui is absolutely beautiful. So the next day we head up into the mountains to the Ho'okina Beach. And here we enjoyed watching the young people surf. That was so much fun watching them. And we stayed until the sunset so we could enjoy the attraction here at Ho'okina Beach. The massive sea turtles. They are endangered, so the whole area is roped off for their protection. But just watching them and seeing them, when you first look at the footage, you think I'm showing you rocks, but they aren't rocks. They are giant sea turtles. So check this out.
You know you got issues, right? You know I'm gonna put this on YouTube because
And no trip to Hawaii would be complete without a luau. So we head over to the Paina luau.
they did. Well, you don't want it picked over. Oh yeah.
Ai, Kevelina Maine, Kikini Olalo, Kevelina, Kevelina Maine, Kikini Olalo, Nahoa Oka, Naile Oka, Aka, Ikano Oka, Wanda, no Okane, Papa, no Ya, Alo Okolo Helen, Akila, Wama Oka, Ikaba,
See that three times fast. They are no
Maui was kind of cloudy and overcast, but you know I was not gonna let that stop us. So we headed out for a whale watching adventure. And I thought I would see this. I downloaded that off of the internet, but this is what I saw. Now, they said it was a whale. I couldn't be sure because I never actually got to see the body of the whole whale. But this was the best shot that we got. And I slowed the footage down, so I guess you can kind of sort of see a whale. But anyway, it was a beautiful day at sea. The weather was warm and the breezes were cool.
Woo! I got it right. Look at this going by. Oh my gosh. It is just so much of everything out here. It is all the way live in Maui. Oh, I like that song. That's Maui, y'all. Enjoy the video. Mahalo, baby.
We had a blast in Maui, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Now check out this blooper.
Hey!